When it comes to safeguarding your home, your roof plays one of the most crucial roles. It shields your home from the elements, protects your family, and contributes to your home's energy efficiency. In Macomb, where the weather can range from heavy rain and windstorms in the summer to snow and ice during the winter, having a reliable roof is essential. One of the best ways to ensure the durability and longevity of your roof is by investing in professional shingles installation. While the upfront cost might seem like a significant investment, the long-term benefits make it more than worthwhile. Here's why opting for professional shingles installation in Macomb is a smart decision for homeowners. Quality installation for longevity and durability. The first and most important reason to invest in professional shingles installation is the quality of the job. A roof is only as good as its installation, and a professional roofing contractor will ensure that the shingles are installed properly, maximizing their lifespan. Poor installation can lead to issues like leaks, improper sealing, or shingle damage, all of which can lead to costly repairs down the road. Roofing professionals in Macomb have the expertise to install shingles in a way that ensures their long-term durability, taking into account the region's specific weather conditions. Whether you opt for asphalt, wood, metal, or slate shingles, professionals know the best techniques to prevent damage from wind, snow, or heavy rain, which will ultimately save you money by prolonging the life of your roof. Protection against severe weather. Macomb is no stranger to severe weather, including hailstorms, high winds, and heavy snowfalls. The shingles on your roof are your first line of defense against these environmental threats. Professionally installed shingles offer better protection from damage caused by extreme weather conditions. For instance, high-quality asphalt shingles or impact-resistant shingles can withstand strong winds and hail, reducing the risk of damage during storms. A properly installed roofing system with the correct underlayment and flashing will prevent water leaks and moisture buildup, which can lead to mold and mildew growth in your attic and walls. A professional roofing contractor will ensure that your shingles are installed securely, keeping your home safe from the damaging effects of Macomb's unpredictable weather. Improved energy efficiency. Did you know that your roof can impact your home's energy efficiency? In Macomb, where the summer months can be hot and humid, and winters are cold and snowy, your roof plays an essential role in maintaining indoor comfort. Shingles installation done by professionals can enhance the energy efficiency of your home by properly insulating and ventilating the roof. Modern cool roofing shingles reflect sunlight, which helps to keep your home cooler in the summer, reducing the need for air conditioning and saving on energy costs. In the winter, well-installed shingles help prevent heat loss, ensuring your home remains warm without overworking your heating system. Professional installation ensures that your shingles are properly aligned and secured, contributing to better energy performance throughout the year. Increased curb appeal and home value. Your roof is one of the most prominent features of your home, and professional shingles installation can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. A fresh, well-installed roof instantly improves the aesthetic of your property, making it look newer and well-maintained. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, a new roof with professionally installed shingles can increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with a well-maintained roof, as it offers reassurance that they won't need to replace the roof anytime soon. Whether you choose traditional asphalt shingles or designer shingles with unique textures and colors, a professionally installed roof will improve the overall look of your home, boosting its curb appeal and increasing its value. Warranty and peace of mind. One of the main benefits of hiring a professional roofing contractor for your shingles installation is the warranty that often accompanies the work. Reputable roofing contractors offer warranties on both the shingles and the installation process. This means that if there are any defects in the materials or issues with the installation, the contractor will handle the repairs or replacement at no additional cost. This peace of mind is invaluable. Knowing that your roof is covered by a warranty and that any potential issues will be addressed quickly and efficiently can save you both time and money. You won't have to worry about the cost of unexpected repairs or dealing with a roof that fails prematurely. Safety and proper equipment. Roofing is a dangerous job that requires specific knowledge and equipment. Professional roofing contractors have the necessary training and tools to perform the job safely and efficiently. By hiring professionals, you reduce the risk of accidents or injuries associated with DIY roofing projects. Contractors use high-quality safety equipment and follow proper safety protocols to protect themselves and your property during installation. Additionally, roofing professionals have access to the right tools and materials to complete the job quickly and correctly, saving you time and effort in the process. Final thoughts. Opting for professional shingles installation in Macomb is an investment that pays off in many ways. From enhanced protection against extreme weather to increased energy efficiency, improved curb appeal, and the added peace of mind of a warranty, the benefits of professional installation far outweigh the initial cost. When you choose to work with experienced roofing professionals, you ensure that your roof is installed correctly, providing lasting protection and value for your home. Don't overlook the importance of a properly installed roof. Invest in quality shingles and expert installation today to secure your home for years to come.